Are you ready? Welcome to my channel, US Health and Fitness. Subscribe my channel. Staying fit and active is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Cardio exercises are one of the best ways to improve your heart health, burn calories, and boost your stamina. You don't need fancy gym equipment or expensive memberships to perform cardio workouts. With just your body weight and some open space, you can enjoy an effective and refreshing workout. This guide will provide a detailed step-by-step plan for a cardio routine without equipment, perfect for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. Benefits of cardio workouts without equipment. Before diving into the routine, let's explore why this workout is effective. Convenience. You can perform these exercises anywhere at home, in a park, or even a hotel room. Cost-effective, no need for gym memberships or purchasing machines. Improves heart health. Cardio strengthens your heart, improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. Burns calories, effective for weight loss and toning your body. Boosts mood, releases endorphins, helping to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Enhances stamina, builds endurance, making daily activities easier over time. Structure of the workout. This cardio workout is divided into 3 main parts. Warm-up, prepares your body for exercise. Main workout, high-intensity exercises to burn calories and improve endurance. Cool down, helps your body recover and relax. Warm-up 5-7 minutes. A proper warm-up is critical to avoid injuries and prepare your muscles for intense activity. Stand upright and begin marching in place. Swing your arms naturally and lift your knees high. This gets your heart rate up gently. A warm-up is a crucial part of any workout routine as it prepares your body for physical activity by gradually increasing your heart rate and improving blood flow to your muscles. It helps loosen joints, enhance flexibility, and reduce the risk of injuries such as muscle strains or sprains. Warm-up exercises, like light jogging, dynamic stretches, or jumping jacks also improve your performance by priming your body for more intense movements. Additionally, warming up mentally prepares you for exercise, helping you focus and get into the right mindset. Spending just 5-10 minutes on a proper warm-up can make your workout safer, more effective, and enjoyable. Main workout 20-30 minutes. This section includes high-intensity exercises that require no equipment. Perform each exercise for the specified duration and repeat the entire circuit 3 to 5 times, depending on your fitness level. High knees to minutes. Stand tall and jog in place while lifting your knees as high as possible. Keep your core tight and arms moving for balance. Modify. Slow down if needed or hold onto a wall for support. Jumping jacks to minutes. Start with feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet apart while raising your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Focus on smooth, controlled movements. Mountain climbers 1 minute. Begin in a push-up position with your body in a straight line. Drive one knee toward your chest and quickly alternate legs, as if running. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Burpees 1 minute. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Drop into a squat position, placing your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank, then quickly return to the squat. Jump explosively into the air. Skater jumps 1 minute. Leap to your right, landing on your right foot while crossing your left foot behind. Jump to the left and repeat, mimicking a speed skater's movement. Focus on balance and landing softly. Rest 1 minute. Use this time to catch your breath and hydrate if necessary. Cool down 5-7 minutes. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps your body transition back to a resting state and prevents muscle stiffness. Forward fold stretch 1 minute. Stand with feet hip-width apart and slowly bend forward at the waist. Let your arms hang toward the ground. Hold this position and breathe deeply. Lunge stretch 1 minute per side. Step your right foot forward into a lunge position. Keep your back leg straight and feel the stretch in your hips and thighs. Child's pose 1 minute. Kneel on the ground. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Relax your forehead on the floor and take deep breaths. Deep breathing 2 minutes. Sit or lie down comfortably. Take deep breaths in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 4 and exhale slowly for 4. Tips for beginners. Start slow. If you're new to cardio, perform each exercise for 30 seconds instead of 1 minute and gradually increase as you build endurance. Hydrate. Keep water nearby to stay hydrated during the workout. Wear comfortable clothing. Choose breathable and flexible workout clothes to move easily. Track your progress. Use a fitness app or journal to track your workouts and improvements.